Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the FOB battery on your Accord, Civic CRV, Pilot, Odyssey Ridgeline. I don't know what kind of Honda you have. So we're gonna use the CR2032 lithium cell battery. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can buy this. So without further ado, you see that arrow right there? So what you want to do, you want to push that over. Alright, so once that you push that over, at the same time you pull out the chrome key. Alright, and then once you did that, you're gonna use your two thumb, hold on to the crack and crack it open like an egg. Alright, you see the battery, that's the old one, that's the malfunction one. So what you want to do, you're gonna use this tool, flat tip, small flat tip. Don't use your key, knife, whatever, your axe. So you're gonna fry them off. Okay, fry them off, put it at the end, and then pry it. Pop it up, lock it, and drop it. Bow. Now it's out. So we're gonna use the new one. I'm gonna put the link on the description down below where you can get this new one. Super cheap, super reliable, CR2032, the lithium cell battery. So all you have to do is gonna drop it in there like it's hot, facing all the letterings up. And what you gotta do is make sure you secure them all lined up together, no gap. And the last thing is you're gonna put the key back in there, make sure it's all nice and tight, snug, and voila. Don't forget to subscribe, guys.